In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automatically create background music for your videos in Filmora 14 using AI. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, if you don't have a copy of Filmora 14 and you'd like to follow along, kindly use the link in the description below to get a copy and follow along. Now, I'll begin by importing my video, and I've already opened up Filmora. Inside the media bin, project media, and I want to import. I'll click on import, and let's say I choose this particular waterfall right here. I'll click on that and click on open. Now once it's on my timeline or in my media bin, I'll just click on the plus here to add it to the timeline. So I'll click on match to media, and it's a 15-second clip. What I'll do here is I'll bring it down to something like 10, press on C to cut, get the razor, and then press on V to get back the cursor, and then click on this one and delete. I'll fit it to the timeline, and if I play this, what we have is the sound of the waterfall and maybe other noises right there. So that's pretty good. What we want is to generate some background music for our video. Now, this feature is pretty simple, and if I click on my footage here, you can see Smart BGM generation automatically comprehends the content on the current timeline and generates suitable music for this particular clip or any other clips that you have. Now, depending on the length of your timeline and the content or the length of your video, this may take a long time and it may consume more credits than this particular clip I'm going to be showing you right here. So if I click on this, I'm going to get this dialog box. It's the Smart Background Music Generation feature, and it analyzes your content of your current media and generates suitable background music for you. So as you can see, it's going to hit up on some of your credits, but for this particular audio is about, or video is about 9 seconds, and I'll click on start. It's going to analyze the video content. You can click hide to close this window. Once generation is complete, the results will be automatically displayed on the timeline. Smart BGM generation in progress. I can click on hide, and you'll see this particular tasks list here, and if I click on it, you'll see the different tasks available, different tasks that you've done that use up AI, and you can see historical generation results are saved for up to 7 days. As you can see here, the process is going on pretty smoothly. Now just give it a couple of seconds and you're going to get your music, and it's actually done. So what we can do is just come back here and just have a listen. And I think that is probably going to go well with our waterfall just coming down and so on and so forth. So depending on the type of footage that you have, Filmora is going to analyze all that content using the Smart Background Generation Music feature and then get you some good background music for your videos. Now, if we go back to the task list, and let's say you want to find where is this music. As you can see, there's this more or less bullseye icon here, and it's the locate to icon. If I click on that, it takes me to audio, my music, and highlights the music that you want right here. If I play this, that's the music that we just generated using AI in Filmora 14. Now, as you can see, all your other music is going to be here, and if I actually click on this drop down, you can see it's free and all that, and if you click on this plus, it's to add to project and so on and so forth. But that is how you can automatically create background music for your videos in Filmora 14 using the Smart Background Generation feature. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.